We begin at 5 with continuing coverage. The Michigan Court of Appeals heard oral arguments today as Ottawa County's Health Officer Adeline Hambley is suing to keep her job.
Yeah, commissioners who were opposed to masking and other pandemic health precautions are trying to replace her since taking office earlier this year.
13 on your side's Josh Albertus was in court today. He tells us what happened.
Well, this morning we heard from attorneys on both sides arguing whether or not Hambley's position as health officer should be protected for now, as some commissioners have already made moves to potentially oust her from her post. 3 judges of the Michigan Court of Appeals hearing arguments on Wednesday in the case of Adeline Hambley, the embattled Ottawa County health officer fighting to keep her job in a lawsuit stemming from the county's move in January to replace her.
I was pleased that the judges had obviously they're well prepared and know the issues, and we're hopeful that we'll get a result that will permit us to continue the status quo, but we'll just have to see what happens.
Hambley is looking for a full reinstatement of a previous court order that said she could not be removed from her position without cause before the lawsuit goes to trial. It comes as some commissioners have already begun moving to oust her for what the board chairman said was her incompetence in the post when going to the press and the public about potential cuts to the health department budget.
I'm hopeful that the court today will allow us to have that fair process so that, again, we can maintain the integrity of the position and protect public health for Ottawa County.
The attorney for Ottawa County argued the judges shouldn't reinstate the order based on a resolution from the previous County Board of Commissioners in December that said Hambley's hiring was based on 3 things: clearance through a background check, clearance through Michigan Health and Human Services, and approval from the Board of Commissioners, an approval that has not been given by the current board that took office weeks later.
If the motion had said, we're appointing Ms. Hambley as the permanent health officer once she clears MDHHS credentials and once she passes a background check, I would agree with you. We would not be sitting here. But that's not what the motion said.
The Board of Commissioners hearing on whether to remove Hambley has been scheduled for October 23rd, but could be subject to change in the days ahead. In Grand Rapids, Josh Albertus, 13 on your side.
And we will continue to follow any developments in Ottawa County. Be sure to stay with 13 on Your Side, both on air and online at 13onyourside.com. You can also download the free 13 on Your Side app and turn on push alerts to get the latest information.
And